Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to tell you how to make a garden bed, a raised bed with just two components. And it's going to be super simple. Anybody can do it without any special skills and without any special tools. So let's get started. Before we get into actually making the raised bed, let me talk through why having a garden raised bed is a good idea. Number one, they look very nice. It's quite visually appealing. It will raise the profile of your backyard or garden. Number two, they creep out the critters. So things like slugs, they'll not be able to reach and munch into your vegetables. Number three, they provide better drainage, so the water doesn't get locked into the system and rot the roots. Number four is that they reduce the amount of weeds you would see in the garden, and even if there are weeds, then you can easily take them out. And number five, you can make them as a temporary thing. If you want to say you are moving house or something, you can easily dismantle it and take it over. So you don't really need too many skills to get started on that. As I mentioned, you just need two components. So number one is this. This is called a planter's wall block. You can see that it has got sides in which lumber can fit in, but you can get them in any hardware store. They cost about $3. You would need 8 of these. And the second thing that you need are these. This is essentially lumber. This is called a 3x6, and the reason it's called 3x6 is it's 3 inches by 6 inches in cross section, and they typically come in 6 or 8 foot long, and you can get them cut in your local hardware store to the size that you want. In my case, I wanted a 4x4 raised bed, so I just cut them in half. So this is essentially 4 feet in width. So I would need for my 4 sides, I would need 8 of these things, and that's all you really need in terms of components to make your raised bed. And let me show you how to do it. See, I've started to put this thing together here, and it's like super simple. So this is how it goes. So you essentially stack up the wall blocks like this, so that you have this slot out here where your lumber block will fit in, and they're sized exactly so that this 3x6 wood lumber would actually fit in here, and you just stack them 2 at a time in each of the corners. So I'm going to put it right here. Just to show you, like so. And similarly on the other side, I stack up this one here. So you can see that it aligns perfectly into this, and this is where I'm going to put in the other 2 pieces of lumber. Okay, now that I've placed these wall blocks here in this fashion, I'm just going to put the lumber in so that it fits exactly into this slot. Okay, so, and similarly, this one goes in here. So, and then you can just push it so that it aligns perfectly. This. So as you can see, the basic structure is ready, and all I have to do is essentially fill it up with the type of soil or compost that I want, and we'll be good to go. I like to put a layer of cardboard before I start putting the soil in, and this really acts as a protection layer. Also, prevents weed from going from underneath, as well as is biodegradable, so it doesn't have any chemicals and things like that. And it also helps absorb the moisture. And yeah, so that's the first thing I put in before I start putting the soil. So there you have it, raised bed with just 2 components. So if you like this video, please do hit like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.